welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese sausage rolls. Alright, I'll show you guys step by step how to make this delicious pastry, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload video. Alright, I upload video every Wednesday and every Sunday, and you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Alright, this recipe is a kids recipe, so the kids are home now from school, so you guys can make this for your kids. This is the Guyanese sausage roll with the pastry dough. I also did another video with bread sausage rolls, so you guys should look out for that video as well. That's another kids recipe. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my Guyanese sausage roll. Enjoy. To make our pastry dough, we have some cold butter, cold shortening, ice cold water, some flour, and we have some yellow food coloring. This is optional, and we have a pinch of salt. So let's get started. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna pour in your salt, and you're gonna pour in your yellow food coloring. This is gonna give the pastry a bright yellow color, and you're gonna mix this up together just like this. Mix it up real good. So when you finish mixing up your yellow food coloring and your salt, you're gonna pour in your butter. Guys, you gotta make sure that your butter is cold. All right, put it in the fridge and let it get cold, and then you're gonna put in your shortening as well. You guys need to check the description box down below for all my measurements and ingredients. All right, I did this video already like a year ago, but I'm doing it slightly different this time. All right, so you're gonna take your hands now and you're gonna mix up the butter and the shortening into the flour until it look like maybe like cornmeal or so. So when I finish breaking up all the butter and the shortening, I'll show you guys the next step. So we'll be back. So guys, I finished mixing up my cold butter and my cold shortening into the flour. So you see how it's looking here, look like breadcrumbs or cornmeal. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna take your cold ice water. Guys, you have to use ice water, okay? You have to use ice water to get your dough nice and flaky. All right, so you're gonna keep pouring water and you're gonna form a dough just like this. Just keep on pouring your water and you're gonna form your dough. You see the yellow food coloring? Let's give it a nice yellow flavor, nice yellow color. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to form a ball. You can make one big ball, or you could do two small balls. Any one you can do, guys. I'm gonna take it in two. Alright, I'm gonna do it in two, and it's gonna be just like this. See? And I'm gonna put it in onto a plastic wrap. So let me finish. This is one ball dough here. I'm gonna do the other dough now so you guys can see. And you form it into a ball. Right? You pick up all the scraps here. You form it into a ball. So I'm gonna get my plastic wrap now, and then I'll show you guys the next step. So guys, I just lay my plastic wrap here. So what I'm gonna do now, this is one of the dough. So I'm gonna cover it just like this, and then I'm gonna tear the plastic put this into the fridge. So let me show you the other one as well. I'm going to roll out my plastic wrap, put my other dough inside, and I'm going to do the same thing again. Alright? And then I'm going to tear the paste, fold it up just like this. So these are the two dough here. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about half an hour to 45 minutes. So we'll be back. So these are the other ingredients for my Guyanese sausage roll. So I have some grated cheese there. I have my sausage. I cut them up in half. I have my butter, mayonnaise, mustard, hot pepper, and some mustard. So we're gonna mix everything together and form a paste, a cheese paste. So I have my cheese here. I have two different types of cheese. I have mozzarella cheese and I have anchor cheddar cheese. So what we're gonna do here, we're going to pour in our mayonnaise. We're gonna put in our butter. I'm gonna put in our mustard hot sauce. And I'm gonna put in our normal mustard. So I'm gonna mix up all my ingredients. And we're gonna form a paste, right? And this is what we're gonna put on our pastry dough to make the sausage roll. And guys, this sausage roll is the pastry one with the pastry dough. But I also did another sausage roll, a bread sausage roll with sliced bread. So you guys can go and check out that video as well, alright? I will leave that link in the description box down below for my bread sausage roll. So you guys need to try this recipe for your kids. And trust me, your kids would love it. Okay, so my cheese paste is already here now. So I'm going to go and roll out my dough. And I'll show you guys the next step. We'll be back. So I just took my dough out of the fridge. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna break it in half, put the other half in the fridge, and you're gonna sprinkle some flour. And you're gonna press this down. You're gonna press it down, put a little bit more flour. Press, press, press. Some flour now on your rolling pin, and then you're going to roll it out. Alright? Just going to roll it out until you roll it out very thin. So we'll be back. So I finished rolling out my dough. So what you're going to do, you're either going to get a knife or a pizza cutter, and you're going to cut it in a square like, and you pick up the rest. So just like this, and then you're gonna cut it in half again. Alright, so what you're gonna do now, you're gonna make like triangle shapes, like just like this. It's so easy, guys. You're gonna do the same thing here. Alright, so we're gonna do with each of them individually. We're just going to roll it out a little bit more. You're just gonna roll it out a little bit more, like this. So guys, when you finish rolling it out, what you're gonna do now, you're gonna take the cheese mixture that you make earlier, and you're gonna spread it on your dough. Alright, just like this. And then you're going to take your egg wash and you're going to put it all the way around. So try to seal in all of it. So what you're going to do now, you're going to take one of your sausage and you're going to start rolling it from the end here. Just like this, alright? Keep on rolling and you. So this is how it's gonna look here. Alright? Make sure you guys another one. I'm gonna take your cheese again. I'm gonna spread the cheese. You could probably put it more like into the middle. Sausage. And you're going to roll it just like this. Perfect. So I'm going to do the rest off camera and we'll be back. Okay guys, so I just finished rolling out all the sausage rolls. So I just put the parchment paper in this foil pan here. So I'm going to rest down all of my sausage roll into the pan. So we get 8 sausage rolls here, and I had some extra dough and cheese leaf back, so I made it a cheese roll. So let me try to make space for the other one. Put this more at the end here, and you put the other cheese roll here. So I got 2 cheese roll and 8 sausage roll. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna take your egg wash and you're gonna brush the cheese roll, both of the cheese roll here, brush it with the egg wash, and then you're gonna brush the sausage roll as well with the egg wash. And you're gonna let this bake in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes on 300 degrees. You guys can check it after 12 minutes or so, because you know everybody oven a little different. So after 12 minutes you guys can check it, alright? So I'm gonna put this to bake now, and when it finish baking I'll show you guys the end result. So we'll be back. So my sausage roll finished baking, and I also have 3 cheese roll there. So I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. Okay guys, so my sausage roll is finished. I just took it out of the oven. So I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. So here goes. So this is it here. So I'm gonna taste it now and let you guys see. Wow. It's so cheesy and delicious. This is really good. You guys really need to try this recipe, alright? So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. And click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright guys, so share my videos well. Take care and bye.